If oxygen were to suddenly disappear from the world, the effects would be catastrophic and immediate for all life forms and the environment. Here's what would happen. 1. Human and animal life. Humans and animals, which rely on oxygen for respiration, would suffocate within minutes. Brain function would cease after a few minutes without oxygen, leading to unconsciousness and death. 2. Collapse of ecosystems. All aerobic organisms, those that need oxygen to survive, would die, including most animals, plants, and fungi. This would lead to the collapse of entire ecosystems, disrupting food chains and biodiversity. 3. Plants and photosynthesis. Plants also rely on oxygen for respiration, even though they produce it through photosynthesis. Without oxygen, plant cells would not be able to produce the energy needed for their survival. Photosynthesis would eventually halt, as plants require oxygen to maintain certain processes within their cells. 4. Atmospheric changes. Oxygen makes up about 21% of the Earth's atmosphere. Without it, the atmospheric pressure would drop and the sky would darken as particles in the air would no longer scatter light in the same way. This could cause extreme changes in climate. 5. Ocean life. Aquatic organisms like fish and other marine animals would die quickly due to a lack of dissolved oxygen in water. Oceans would become barren, and marine ecosystems would collapse. 6. Structural integrity. Oxygen plays a role in the binding of many chemical compounds, including those that make up materials like concrete and metal. Without oxygen, these materials would become brittle, leading to infrastructure collapse. 7. Combustion and fires. Combustion, which requires oxygen, would no longer occur. Fires would go out instantly, and engines powered by internal combustion, including cars, planes, and power plants, would cease to function. 8. Loss of ozone layer. The ozone layer, which protects the Earth from harmful ultraviolet (UV) radiation, is made of oxygen. Without oxygen, the ozone layer would vanish, exposing the planet to intense UV radiation, causing widespread harm to living organisms and damaging DNA. Overall, the absence of oxygen would mean the end of most life on Earth, as it is essential for respiration, energy production, and the integrity of both biological and chemical systems.